In this video, I'll show you IR Blaster multi-device support, how one smart controller can replace all your physical remotes. The IR Blaster supports multiple appliance types including ACs, TVs, set-top boxes, projectors, media streamers, soundbars, AV receivers, fans, and more. A single IR Blaster can control all compatible devices in a room, eliminating the need for multiple physical remotes. Each appliance gets its own smart virtual remote inside the app, with support for schedules, scenes, and automations. Control your entertainment and comfort devices from one place while creating a cleaner, smarter, and more organized home setup. Now, I'll show you the IR Blaster remote database, compatible with all brands for each appliance type. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Remote at the bottom. Tap on the plus icon to add a new IR remote. Select the appliance type you want to control and tap Next. Now tap on Room and select the room where your IR Blaster is configured. Select the IR device you want to use. Enter the appliance name and tap Next. Select the brand. Search for your appliance brand and choose it from the list. Now test all the remote buttons. If the remote is not responding, move to the next remote profile and test again. Once the buttons are working properly, tap OK, then save the remote. Finally, tap Save. That's it. The remote has been added successfully. To use it, tap on the remote and control your appliance using the buttons inside the app. Your existing remote control devices become instantly smarter. Thank you.